Hello, everyone. This is how you can cancel your Google Drive storage subscription in less than 1 minute. Okay, so log into your Google Drive account and on the left-hand panel, select Get More Storage. As you can see, a new window appears that shows my subscription. That's the basic plan, 100 gigabytes at £1.59 a month. Now, in the top right-hand corner of the page, click on the gear icon, as you can see here. A new page loads and now click Cancel Membership. Read the warning and click through to the Payments and Subscriptions page on Google Play Store. Here you can manage your payment methods, subscriptions, and also see your order history. Okay, next to Google One, click Manage. In the window, select Cancel Subscription. There's one final step. You just need to confirm your choice, and then that's it, all cancelled. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do hit that like button if this has helped you, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.